To try out different tempos in Digital Performer, you can click and drag the tempo slider in the menu bar to your desired tempo. You can also click on the currently displayed tempo and type the tempo in manually, or even tap the T key and DP will sense the tempo that you're tapping. Once the initial tempo is chosen for your project, change the tempo source to conductor track. This will allow the session to follow the tempo information stored in the conductor track and is necessary when you want to do tempo changes later in the session. You must set an initial tempo once you're in this mode. One quick and simple way to do this is in the event list window. Now, if you want to set a tempo where certain downbeats line up with one or more sync points, we'll need to first add markers to indicate the precise location of the sync point. To add a marker, go to Project, Markers, and the Markers window will open. Place the playback wiper at the frame where you want to add a marker by typing in the SMPTE timecode number in the sub-time display. Then click in the Markers window and choose New Marker with options. Alternatively, use the Ctrl-M shortcut to drop a marker. Here, we'll create a marker indicating the start of the music. Make sure to check Marker is locked and call it Music In, and then another marker for a hypothetical sync point named Sync Point 1. The Change Tempo command window is used to create tempo changes between 2 points easily. To open the Change Tempo window, go to Project, Conductor Track, Change Tempo. You can enter specific tempos that you want yourself, or have DP calculate tempo changes in order to have certain beats hit a specific timecode location. The latter is essential when creating tempo maps to picture. You can specify a constant tempo or a gradual tempo change. A constant tempo change contains no variation of the tempo for its duration. It is just a simple change from one tempo to another. A gradual change contains varying tempo values from one point to another, creating an accelerando or a retardando. The way that these values change is specified by one of 4 curves, ranging from a straight line to exponential and polynomial curves. For this example, we'll use the constant tempo change between measures 1 and 4. The Options button allows you to cycle between entering specific tempos or entering the SMPTE timecode of a sync point for the end time of the tempo change. Note that the Randomize function creates random alterations to the tempo, and it's therefore not very useful in film scoring situations. DP will now generate a new tempo for this selection. Clicking OK will add the generated tempo change to the event list, and the downbeat of bar 4 will now hit our Sync Point 1 marker.